Generative AI traffic has grown 165 times faster than organic search, according to our research. But despite generative AI's massive growth, the channels you've known and loved for years are doing just fine. Our team analyzed more than 1 billion search sessions spanning over 1,500 businesses in various sectors. And while we have seen incredible growth from generative AI, traditional digital channels like organic search, referrals, and paid are still going strong. Now, if we break it down by channel, direct and organic search traffic are leading the pack with about a third of the share each. Referral and paid traffic make up about 13% each, while generative AI traffic sits at 0.03%. So, even though generative AI is growing significantly, the classic channels that you've been relying on for years aren't going anywhere. Now, this doesn't mean you should carry on as usual and ignore generative AI. It may be a small slice of traffic right now, but it is growing rapidly. As people become more familiar with AI tools and the technology gets even smarter, it will take a larger slice of that traffic. Plus, we found that generative AI has a 23% higher conversion rate than organic. So, while it hasn't overtaken organic traffic just yet, we are seeing generative AI users take action. Those generative AI users tend to lean on ChatGPT most often, with Perplexity, Gemini, and Copilot rounding out the top tools. So, in your next strategy session, make sure to include AI as a channel to optimize for. If you've already been creating content that addresses the user's intent and provides helpful advice, tutorials, or whatever else is needed, you're off to a great start. Other tactics that can improve your ability to show up in AI responses include having clear FAQ pages with concise summaries, subheadings, or bullet points. Adding structured data to your pages to help these tools understand your content more. Analyzing the responses from AI tools to identify content gaps on your website, and then creating content that fills those gaps. And lastly, just searching for your brand with AI tools to see what comes up, and then figuring out what questions to answer or issues to address from there. Now, at the heart of it all, you need to know your audience, understand how they get their information, and be in those conversations. That is the foundation of digital marketing, and it applies to generative AI tools and optimizations as well. If you have any questions about optimizing your website for AI, we'd love to hear them. Drop them in the comments, but until next time, happy optimizing.